It's not about creating a house, but a home, which is filled with energy, emotions, and memories. Hi, this is Architect Manraj here, Principal Architect, IQ Architect Studio. We evolve a design, maybe from elevation or a section or any elements which leads to a design. The proportion of a space is also a very important factor while designing. This is how we approaching a site. This is the site boundary. This is also a rectangular size of plot. Actually, the client requirement is they need a 3 bedrooms and private space. They need a complete segregation of the private space and the public space. And you can see this is the east side, and the plot is facing to the east side. And instead of a sit out, we just give an open deck spaces, which you can see just I'm doing a zoning, an open deck space, and the huge connectivity of space. Uh, there is no barrier inside the spaces without any walls or any kind of things. And this space includes a kitchen and a dining space and a courtyard which connects the living and the dining space. There is also the private space which includes their kitchen space and one small bedroom. The space which is connecting as we travel from here, this is open deck space you can see, and the space get connected to their complete semi-public space and their private space, that is for bedrooms. So we position the bedrooms, 2 bedrooms here. You can see the 2 bedrooms for their kids. This is one bedroom and this is another bedroom. It is on the westing and east facing. And there is a passage. A nearby passage we provide a water body space. And the master bedroom is the highlighting of this design. So from the elevated, from the there is no contour, it is a flat land. So just elevated a pillar structure we were provided for a master bedroom, which is connected almost 1.2 1.5 meter from the ground floor, which is connecting to the staircase. So this space is highly dedicated to the master bedroom, and this also you can see this is completely, this area is segregated to the bedroom spaces, and which staircase leads to their music room. The client is a musical instrument player, so there is, we provided one musical room also. That is our design, and openings is also a major role in the design. So we provide a large openings as well as in the bedrooms, and in every bedroom so we provide a balcony, a view, because it is an elevated space, so it's highly important for a balcony also. And from the family living we provide a huge window and a deck space also in the backyard. In the connecting of these passages we provide, as I told, the water body is there. You can see a water body here and courtyard spaces. So if we go through a section line, a longitudinal section, a long space which is connecting the kitchen and dining space and one courtyard and a living space, the family living space. This is a space. As per the size of the room is big, so we decided to give the, as I told, proportion is very important factor while designing. So the height of the room is also a little bit high, and we can see a 1 bedroom. This is 1 bedroom. This I'm drawing a section, and which is connecting a staircase leading to the musical room. In that case, the landing. From that landing, we provided master bedroom, which is on the pillar structure, and one balcony also we provide a balcony, and this is the musical room, typical size of master bedroom, and a roofing concept also, a canopy of a roofing concept. The site is completely dedicated to their own spaces. I mean, from the entry to the access of a carporch, and from the space to the backyard and external gardens. So we can view a good view. We can get it from while we are laying on the bed or if you're watching a TV, or if you're eating or something in the dining, if you're cooking. So everywhere you can get a communication. Good communication is needed while designing a space.